Hello everybody, this is Khashayar. Welcome to part 2 of Pick and Run game, which is very uh, random homemade name for some homemade game, whatever you want to call it. I couldn't come up with any other better like name for it. So feel free to call it whatever you want. Okay. Now, for now, we are going to continue by writing our object as a goal, with the object that we are going to collect during the game. So first thing first, we are going to create a class and we call it goal, and it's inherit from turtle module, turtle.turtle, and here init method define init self, and here instead of initiating the turtle module here as a super class, very simple, we can call super dot init, doing the same thing. All right, save us some code, and here pretty simple and basic things. Self dot pen up, which is going to lift the pen from the board. Self dot set position is minus 280 and 280, and self dot pen color will be, let's say, green for now. All right, what was it? Okay, self dot fill color will be blue. And by the way, if you don't specify fill color, the turtle automatically fill it up with pen color, so we can have some sort of object with greenish borders. And so the shape will be square. Self dot shape size will be tile size divided by 20, and self dot speed, which is the drawing speed, and self dot show turtle means we want to see the object on the border. Another method which we are going to, another attributes which we are going to write a method for it will be self dot blink, and it's going to be on. It's more like a switch that we can use to write some sort of method to make our target blink on the screen. So we need to have another method, define blinking self, and here very simple logic, we are going to use this blink switch. If self dot blink equal on, then self dot fill color will be light gray. So if it's checking if the attributes or our switch is on, changing the fill color to light gray, which is our screen color. So we think the target disappear from the screen. And after self dot blink equal off, so it's changing the fill color to light gray and switching off the switch. And elif self dot blink equal off, then self dot fill color will back to blue. And after self dot blink equal on. So we are creating very simple small loop here. It's just checking if the blink is on, changing the fill color, and after switch it to off and change it to blue, switching it to on, change it to light gray. And when we put this blink to update, which we are going to create later on, update will be some sort of while loop. It's going to happen over and over and over. All right, now let's create another method, call it define update self, and update will place the our goal or our target on the border. First, the logic would be something like that. If you remember, first we've been creating our grid and we've been appending the position of our grid to this list. All right, so first we need to pick a random position from the grid, and after check that random position if it's have some exact, if it is also in the walls list. So we don't want to set the position of our goal on top of the walls because we can't pass through the walls. So it should be somewhere that there is no wall there. So we need to have some sort of simple logic there. So we say position equal, use random measure, random the choice of grid. So it means just pick some random positions from the grid, and after check if position in walls, then self.update. So some sort of recursive way of checking and of working. Means it's checking, it's choosing the random position, it's checking if it's in the wall. If it's in the wall, it's going to do the process again until it's finding the empty place, because the possibility is very high to find the empty place. It's not going to overload the recursion limit. And else self.set position to position means, all right, if it's in the wall, then do it one more time. But if not in the walls, means you system found the empty place spot for our goal or our target. So it will set the position of the target to this position. Pretty simple. And let's see. Let's create one object here. Say goal equal goal and goal dot update. Save it, and I go down here. Something square. Typo. Line 74. Yeah. But I don't see the goal exactly. Let's see the goal exactly. Right, let's change our main loop from this static mode called running. Running equal true, and while running, first we have to update, use the update method screen.update. So every time we use tracer here, we need to use update to correspond to that method, screen update. Okay, and now let's see. Save it, run, and you see the blue spot is here. If I run it one more time, it's another place. One more time, it would be another place. Okay, And what about our blinking method? Let's say goal dot blinking. It's blinking, but it's blinking very fast. Later on we are going to fix it by using the tick attribute. I told you, something like mimicking the frame per second, so everything happened in the same pace. All right, but so far so good. We have our board up and running, the walls are up and running, the goal is updating on and appearing on free spots, and the blinking method is working as we expected. Okay, so this would be enough for part 2, and thanks for watching. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, and I see you guys in next video.